Hi guys, so today we have one C-Class W205 come to install 12.3 inch engine player. Let's go! So now we have done installing this 12.3 inch engine player here. You can see from here. Okay, this we support back every original function from the car, so we can setting from back from function from this screen, everything. So for example, now we are in Android interface, okay? Now I just reverse. So this car have original reverse camera, it support by the original camera, so it doesn't have to worry it. And also this dashboard digital meter, so it follow this meter together. And also we can see one thing, wireless Apple CarPlay. So now I've connected the wireless Apple CarPlay with my phone. So I press base. For example, I go to this place, I just press. So there I go. Okay, this is wireless Apple CarPlay. So Apple CarPlay apps and also support wireless Android Auto together. Okay, so this app, this player, we also have Play Store, YouTube, Waze, Google Map, including DSP sound system. Okay, so everything DSP sound system is here. We have a lot of system can track back. So Play Store, you can download any app you need. So also split screen, so I can press YouTube for the left. Then right side I can put Google Map, YouTube, Google Map, Waze, everything. So half screen is YouTube, half screen is for you to navigation. And also we can close it just like this. And also the 2K resolution of this screen, you can see very clear. And the sound system also very nice, because we are using the true original sound system from Mersa. Okay, so this is the 12.3 inch engine player. We also have it in 10.2 inch and also few specs. So want to find a player for Mercedes? Remember me, I'm bossy tapi saya bukan boss.